Did you know about this? So many people don't know about this, but in 2023, we're not leaving any money on the table. Now, just let me show you. Going to go to digistore24.com and you're going to click on register now in the top right hand corner. Once you've registered, you'll get a confirmation saying it's successful and you get to come into the affiliates portion of this site, and then you get to look at the digital products. There are all types of digital products that you can choose from. You'll choose one. I chose Tube Mastery and Monetization. They have a lot of good information here. Read over that. But I like that 50% commission. So that means the earnings for me would be around $228.29. If I want to promote it, I'll just click promote now. I think this is a good one because this is about YouTube and how you can set up a site and not even show your face and still get paid. Now I found another one about TikTok. Pretty much the same thing, how you can make money on TikTok. The commission is around 50%, so it's $419.76. Wow. Now, there's a right and a wrong way to do this. If you want to learn the right way, click on the link in my profile, download my free ebook, and get started earning some extra income. All right, see you later.